not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for daily updates. Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. Let us see the important topics covered from today's Hindu newspaper along with the important questions that might appear in coming exams. I have provided you yesterday's video's PDF link in today's description. Whoever needs it can download it. I'm happy to announce that we are launching giveaways for our valuable subscribers in the evening today. So stay tuned for more updates and subscribe to my channel so that you do not miss every day's important current affairs. Let's start. On which day it is observed as International Day of Persons with Disability? December 3rd, December 4th, December 5th or December 6th? The answer is A, December 3rd. Very important, asked many times in many exams, to remember. December 3rd is marked every year as International Day of Persons with Disability. The theme for 2018 is Empowering Persons with Disabilities and Ensuring Inclusiveness and Equality. Now, according to a report, women with disabilities are more vulnerable. Disabled persons rally in the central Kolkata on Monday. More than 100 differently abled women and girls have raised allegations of sexual harassment in West Bengal. Now, under the new law, if anyone assaults a disabled girl or a woman, is considered as an aggravated assault which amounts to more punishment. Under Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act 2016, it mandates stricter punishment for harassing people with disabilities. Which of the following satellite is said to be the India's heaviest communication satellite? GSAT-29, GSAT-6A, GSAT-11 or GSAT-30? The answer is C, GSAT-11, which would be launched tomorrow on December 5th. GSAT-11 is said to be the India's heaviest communication satellite. Remember, a very important topic from science and technology. GSAT-11, weighing almost 5,854 kg, double the biggest one built or launched by ISRO so far till date. The launching vehicle is Ariane 5, a European launch vehicle, which would be launching from French Guiana, which is in east coast of South America. So remember, GSAT-11 is a satellite launching from French Guiana, which is in South America, and not launching from Sriharikota of India. Now, this GSAT-11 will play a vital role in providing broadband services across the country. It is expected to work for almost 15 years from now. Which country will leave Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries nations? Iran, Saudi Arabia, Qatar or Kuwait? The answer is C, Qatar. Qatar will leave the OPEC nations. OPEC is an intergovernmental organization of 15 nations founded on September 1960 in Baghdad of Iraq. Remember the headquarters of OPEC, very important. Vienna of Austria, asked many times in many exams. Qatar will no longer be the member of OPEC from 1st January 2019. It says the gas remains the top priority and they don't have great potential in oil. Hindustan Unilever Limited approved merger of GlaxoSmithKline CH India, securing which of these health drink brands? Horlicks, Amul Cool, Protein X or Pediasure? The answer is A, Horlicks. Hindustan Unilever Limited, number one company in sales of health food drinks in India, and GSK CH India is also number one company in hot beverage category nationwide. Now both the brands have merged and Horlicks brand is acquired by the parent company of HUL, that is Unilever. The deal was worth of almost 31,700 crore. International Space Station completed how many years recently? 10 years, 15 years, 20 years or 25 years? Very important topic from science and technology. The answer is C, 20 years. International Space Station, which was launched on the date 20th of November 1998. So last month it successfully completed the 20 years. International Space Station is a habitable artificial satellite which was placed in lower Earth orbit. Now, yesterday the Soyuz mission carried 3 astronauts to international space stations. These 3 astronauts are from Russia, America and Canada. Now, they arrived at International Space Station on Monday in its first manned mission since the failed launch in the month of October. Now, these 3 astronauts will spend almost 6.5 months on the International Space Station. Which of the following is the Foreign Intelligence Agency of India? RAW, Mossad, CIA or ISI? The answer is A. RAW, Research and Analysis Wing, is the Foreign Intelligence Agency of India. It was established in the year 1968 following the intelligence failures of Sino-Indian War, that means India-China War, which persuaded the government of India to create a specialized independent agency. The founders of this research analysis wing is the then Prime Minister of India, Indira Gandhi, and R.N. Rao. This article says that Punjab and Jammu and Kashmir officers are in race for the RAW chief. Now, the current RAW chief, A.K. Dasmana, will retire in this December. You need to remember all the important intelligence agencies of other countries. Very important, one expected question from this area. Mossad is the intelligence agency of Israel, CIA, Central Intelligence Agency of America, and ISI is Inter-Service Intelligence of Pakistan. Where is the National Institute of Nutrition located in India? Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad or Amravati? The answer is C. Hyderabad. NIN is located in Hyderabad of Telangana. Recently, Global Nutrition Report 2018 says micronutrient deficiency and adolescent malnutrition is prevalent all over the world. So, NIN recommends to improve the diet. They say to consume more of fruits, green leafy vegetables, legumes like lentils, beans, nuts, whole grains like millets, oats, brown rice. So, improve your diet, eat healthy and stay healthy. Who is the current chief of the Indian Navy? Sunil Lanba, Charles Thomas Mark Pizzey, Robin K. Dovan or Devendra Kumar Joshi? The answer is A. Sunil Lanba. Very important. He is the current chief of Indian Navy. The chief of the naval staff is the commander and the highest ranking officer in the Indian Navy. Now, every year on December 4th, we celebrate as a Navy Day to commemorate the courageous attack on the Karachi harbour during the Indo-Pakistan War, which took place on 4th of December 1971. Now, a naval chief says the government had approved almost 56 new warships to be inducted into the Indian Navy. India wants to host Olympics in which of the following year? 2024, 2028, 2032 or 2020? The answer is C. 2032. India wants to host 2032 Olympics. It is deadly serious about bringing Olympics to India in the year 2032. The host city for 2032 Olympics will be announced in the year 2025. Now, once let's look at India's performance at 2016 Olympics. India won only 2 medals, that too by PV Sindhu and Sakshi Malik, the 2 women who made us proud. We all know India is the second highest population in the world and it had got only 2 medals in the recent Olympics. This is the fate of our country in the sports. So, please do encourage the coming generation to take up sports. Let's see the quote for the day. If you want your dreams to come true, don't oversleep. Now, especially in the winter season, it is difficult to wake up early in the morning. Have a proper sleep of at least 7 to 8 hours and that's it. Do not oversleep more than that. So, this is it for today. If you like my videos, subscribe to my channel and mention your views in the comment section. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.